Taking a look at the schematic of our side piece, we can see that there are two hole locations. If we take a closer look at what these holes look like, we have a larger hole or a countersink hole that has a diameter of 0.375 or 3/8 of an inch. So we have a diameter of 0.375, and that is a countersink with a flat bottom hole. We then have a diameter of 0.125 or 1/8 that goes all the way through our project. If we use a 3/8 inch Forstner bit, we are able to achieve a 3/8 inch diameter hole. We are also able to achieve a flat bottom countersink hole. Our schematic shows that our 3/8 inch diameter hole only goes halfway through our project, or 3/8 of an inch. Because the sides of our project are 3/4 of an inch thick, halfway through is 3/8 of an inch. If we take a look at that Forstner bit, the distance from the tip of the cutting area to the shoulder of the bit is about 3/8 of an inch. So if we drill to the shoulder and then stop, that should put us halfway through our project. Do not drill all the way through your project. And clamping your board to the table will ensure that it will not move while you're drilling. And remember, if you keep two hands on the drill, you can't drill through your hand. Now you will notice that little spike has created a small divot right in the center, which will help us with the next drilling process. With our larger 3/8 inch countersink hole drilled and that spike having put that little divot, we can then come back with a 1/8 inch drill bit and drill all the way through the project. Now you want to make sure you position it over a vise so you do not drill through the tabletop.